Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333. We're at 549 49th Street, and this is the inspector's summary of video for the stoop and the stairs leading into the basement. This is pass-fail video. This structure must be structurally sound and painted. It is pre-existing non-conforming, and you need an EPA renovator's license if this is pre-1978. And let's go over the components. You've got a rail 2-inch diameter with the middle the same, and the post all hollow tube. You have cast in place concrete. 1, 4, 5 steps and a platform, and that leads into your building. And then you have this cage that was built around this staircase. I can only assume that this is a means of egress, and this is locked, so that is not a good situation. I can't ascertain the condition of this particular stoop / basement to the stairs because I can't get through because of this lock. But this should not be in this condition. It's a means of egress, and this completely is a violation. So this needs to be addressed. Somehow there's got to be a panic bar with a lock that you can get out of this. I imagine there's fire escapes on the back, and this is the only way out. You probably go out through the basement and then out here. So this is definitely a problem. Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers, and just get some shots of this against the wall and the connection into the wall. You can see they drove like a stake in, and the pipe doesn't penetrate, and then they welded it to that, and same thing over here. That pipe should really be embedded in. Okay, we have some rust jacking going on the bottom there. Same thing there at the bottom of it. Okay, Fire Escape Engineers.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.